but I had things to do in London. While I was away, the Sahara sand and the algae arrived, turning the pool green and dirty. We have had the problem before, although it was the first time the wind brought the Sahara. As before, much cleaning and chemical treatment was required. Using the equivalent of a vacuum cleaner several times, the filter sacks were quickly filled and required thorough washing and scrubbing so they could be used again. Finally clean enough, it was possible to survey the pool and the patches put in place to cover small holes made accidentally during the previous 16 years. One was missing, the one that covered the largest hole and in the deepest part of the pool. It took many dives with just a mask to locate the hole, well hidden by the remaining sand and dead insects. We purchased a fresh repair kit and found some of the original unused PVC liner. A new rounded patch was cut from the PVC. I placed a tile and heavy weights ready, next to the hole. With a generous amount of glue on the patch, I dived, put it in place. Breathing out to stay down a little longer, I was able to put the tile on top of the patch, followed by the two weights, a mixture of planning and luck.